Hi guys, I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of the platform so you can quickly and easily see how it works. So when you log in to the RightFit marketplace, you will be able to see jobs here on your dashboard that are the ones that most closely match the parameters of your profile. So the city and country you've signed up as, gender, age, all of those sort of things will be taken into consideration. So you'll have a job feed and you'll also have contra, which are freebies that you can apply for and get free things like toys and clothing and in exchange for social media posts. And then you'll have all of your messages here. You'll have this little icon here called profile completeness. And if you click that, it will show you all of the things that you need to do to get your profile to 100% complete. And obviously, if you've got a 100% complete profile, you're going to get more work. So you can literally just work through each of those sections. And down the side here, if you want to see what your profile looks like to a client, just press view profile. And that's exactly what a client will see when they look at your profile when you apply for a job. So what you can do if you want to apply for a job, you can see obviously some here on this dashboard. You can click in and read more about the job and when the shoot is and what they're looking for example. And then you just press apply for job and enter your details. So you can say, I think I'd be really great for this job because I am available on the shoot date. I match the parameters of what you're looking for. I can provide my own wardrobe and I'm X age that you're looking for. And that will go straight through to the client. You also have this tab here where you can find work. And this is where you can browse all of the different jobs that are available in the marketplace. So for example, let's go and browse some influencer jobs. And you can see all of the different parameters down the left-hand side that this is filtered by. So you can go, for example, maybe I want to remove that I'm looking for jobs just in New South Wales. You can sort by rate and all of those different sorts of things. And then in here, when you apply for a job that is set as open to quotes, like this one is, you get to set your rate. So let's say I wanted to apply for this job. I can put in why I'm perfect. And I could put in my rate and it'll tell me exactly what I'm going to get paid if I get selected on this job. And that will go straight through to the client. In my messages section, I'll be able to see all of my chat back and forth with clients. And in my applications, I'll be able to see all of the jobs that I've applied for, all of the jobs I've been invited for, all the jobs I've been booked on. And if I haven't been successful, I'll be able to see the jobs that I wasn't selected on here as well. So I hope that helps explain how to use the RightFit marketplace. Jump in and you can start applying for jobs today.